Hi everyone, this is Mr. again. Today we're going to create a three-dimensional solid model of a residence, and this is going to be a smaller model, 1/144 scale model, so that we can 3D print it. That's the whole point of it. And I suggest you to start your AutoCAD, and I suggest you to change your views, okay, using the V command. Units says to be set to inches, and right now I'm in the process of doing that, and you can do this in two different ways. You can go to literally the AutoCAD icon on the upper left hand corner, go to drawing utilities and set your units. Okay, most of the time I choose engineering units, and today we have decimal units in front of us. We can go with the engineering or decimal, either way, and okay. So second, limits is important. Limits has to be entered. I'm typing limits. Okay, lower left. It's a rectangle, basically lower left hand corner 0, 0. It's offered by the AutoCAD inside. Default chevron marks 0, 0. Accept that by pressing the enter key, and upper right hand corner is about 12 inches by 9 inches. This is also fine. Enter. So next thing to do, probably we should do the view command, view, enter, and you need the left side view. So click on the left side view and OK it. Okay. This is the left view. Okay, and click. And the shade mode, I want to be in the line shade mode, so 2D wireframe line is just fine with me. Okay. User coordinate system XY plane should be parallel, but I'm seeing right now this in front of me. It is not, so I'm typing UCS for user coordinate system and press the V for the view. Okay, so that XY plane is parallel to my screen, and Z is perpendicular. All right, so far so good. We have pretty much everything covered right now, and we can start drawing our design. And we're using polyline command, PL, enter, and starting point is 0, 0. Okay, and I want to turn on ortho mode so it goes horizontal right now, and I want to go at 3 inches to the right. Okay, 3 inches equivalent of 30 feet approximately. 3, enter in the scale. All right, next I want to go vertical up 2 inches, enter. Now ortho, I'm going to turn off the ortho. Okay, and object snap is on. The object snap shows me where the middle point of the line is. Okay, and at this point I'm typing at. At is beginning, explains the computer the beginning of the relative coordinates, and we want to go 1.5 inches to the left. After the at, we enter minus 1.5, comma, we're going to up how much? We're going to go, say, 0.6 inches up, enter. Now, we will go down and to the left. Again, at symbol, and because we're going to the left, it's minus 1.5, comma, because we're going down again, minus 0.6, enter. At that point, we enter C for close. All right. So our close polyline is ready to be extruded. And we're going to extrude it 4.5 inches for the length of the building. Okay. So I want you to see the extrusion live, so I'm going to change the angle and go to Extrude Command, select the Extrude option, move Option, enter. Okay. And we're going to extrusion backwards, so minus. So that's why I'm typing minus 4.5. Okay, enter. Good. We have dormers on this building, so to deal with that, we're going to have to go to the front surface of it. I'm going to carry my UCS, user coordinate system, with me. So I'm typing UCS, enter, okay, and selecting this corner, and then X, first X, then the Y, okay. So now I'm here, over here, and if I change my viewport by selecting here, and go with the polyline, start from 0, 0, enter. I'm turning off the object snap, I don't need it anymore at this point, but ortho mode is on. We're going horizontally, so it's going to be 1.5 inches to the right, enter. And we're going all the way up, top, okay, and then turn the object snap, turn the object snap, turn off the object snap, turn off the ortho mode, okay, and now we're going to go again, edge symbol, now we're going left, okay, how much? Half of 1.5, 0.075, okay, so this, because it's to the left, it's minus 0.75 inches, comma, because we're going up, 0.6 inches up, enter, okay. Now this time again, we're going to the left, and edge symbol, all right, and minus 0.75, comma, this time we're going down, minus 0.6 inches, okay? And then at this point, we go to C for close. C, enter, close. All right. So I need this dormer. This is going to be extruded. I have 3 copies of this dormer, okay? So I'm just going to CP, I'm typing just CP for the dormer, select the dormer. I'm turning on the object snap because I need to copy from point to point. I make 3 copies side by side, enter. All right, to show you what we have, I'm just going to change the angle a little bit. Okay, like that, all right. And of course, save your work. You're going to use save work, and that means you need to go save it to your account. Okay. All right. Let's call this a residence. A residence. Okay. And save. It's important that to save your work every time you accomplish something. And so take a note of the name of it too. All right. Okay, so this is the building, or beginning of the building. Now we're going to go Extrude Command. Okay, so that's option, enter, and we're going towards front, so that's going to be 3 inches of extrusion. So the 3. Actually, we can do this all for 3 of the extrude, and select item number. That's the extrusion. Click, and click, and let me do this again. Extrude. I'm selecting the first dormer. I'm selecting the second dormer. Enter, and I'm typing 3. I did not select the third one. Why not? I want to make a niche in the front. So third one is going to be extrusion is going to be less than 3 inches. I'm going to make it 2.25. Okay, because I want to create a niche in the front. So instead of 3 inches, okay, 2.25 is fine. Extrusion, select the entity in the front, okay, and type 2.25, enter. Okay, all of the items are selected, which is good. And let me try to show you what I have right now so far. If I can type shade mode, enter, and go to conceptual, for example, this is what we have left. And I can literally push, pull, press, pull the front, okay, backwards. And again, shade mode. I'm going to change the shade mode to wireframe and go to press pull, enter, and then I can literally see where it is going. Okay. Now turn the shade mode on so that I can show you. All right. Okay, so we have the niche that we created. Okay. Now I want to change back to shade mode and back to wireframe, to the wireframe. All right. Now I want to create a circle on the ground level. So UCS, when you enter UCS, you're choosing the ground level, okay? And this time we're entering a circle, okay? And the circle will be starting from center point and going to C for circle, and computer is asking me the diameter, or entering the radius. Diameter is going to be 1.5 inches, radius is 0.75, and currently I'm typing 0.75, enter, okay? And I'm going to move this from the quadrant point over here, okay? Three-dimensionally, we need to select the circle. Okay. And I'm going to create the circle, another circle that's going to be this time 2 inches. Computer is asking me the radius, and the diameter is going to be 2. Radius is half of diameter, so I'm entering type 1. Okay. And I'm going to move the circle from its quadrant point. When you see that diamond shape, okay, it's perfectly positioned like that. Okay. All right, so we are ready to extrude these two items, and I'm going to use the extrude command. Select this entity, the first. Let me see a few things. Do you think I can trim some of those lines over here. Perhaps I can. Control Z. Okay. Okay. I'm going to simply extrude the first tower. Enter. That's going to go up, and how far up? It's going to be 3 inches. All right, so 3 enter. All right, equivalent of 13. All right, enter again. Extrude comes back. This time, the second tower is going to go 3.5. Enter. Okay. All right. These are all good. Can we simply union all of them? Probably we can. All right, so let's use the union command and select all of the objects. Okay. Now, I like to have certain lines pull back. I'm using press pull command right now. Okay. Control Z. This is before the union. Okay. So I'm going to press pull this item, that roof, and this item. Okay. And I plan to press pull okay. Enter. Okay. Okay, All right, so I think we are all done here. This is a good idea. This is the place where you want to save it. Okay, and I'm going to change the shade mode to back to the wireframe. Okay, and go to shell command. Oh, maybe I should first union command. Enter. Enter. Okay, now we're going to use shell command. Of course, save your work. Always. Okay. And 0.1 inches shell distance. And the interior walls are also, exterior walls, I'm sorry. Exterior walls are also created not now with the shell command. Okay, so now you have exterior walls and the main building. All right, thank you very much for your time, and I'm going to continue on the next video. Okay, how to design the rest of the building and walls and doors and windows and the roof. There are those castle has to have its own roof. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.